Hello friends, let's now see the trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So for this, what will I do here? Same thing, take a right angle triangle, consider this as a base. Let it be A, this be B. Okay, so let this be C. So when you consider here this as a right angle triangle here, did you remember the concept of a person whitewashing the wall? Correct? So when you consider this AC as a ladder and BC as the wall, so if a person wants to whitewash the wall at a lower point, it means what? Suppose here, let's consider that the angle formed here is theta. When you consider this as a ladder and this as a ground, consider that here the angle is theta that the ladder makes with the ground. If a person wants to whitewash the wall at a lower point, it means what happens? I will show you. See, let me draw the diagram here itself. If a person wants to whitewash the wall at a lower point, this is the lower point when compared to this. If it means the theta is decreased but the base is increased. Correct? See here, the theta is decreased. This is height is also decreased. Height of the wall. If he wants to whitewash at a lower point, this is also decreased. See here, BC is decreased, theta is decreased, but the base AB is increases. Okay. So the same concept, let me explain you further. Okay. So if the theta is at minimal like this, it means what? Means the base is much more increased and the height is very much decreased. Theta is decreased, then the height is very much decreased and the base is increased much more when compared to this. So let's consider this as B1 and this as B2. A will be same and C will be same. See here, the ladder will be same, but the distance between the base, ground level and the height of the wall, only BC, when compared to the original figure, BC is changed and this AB is changed, but ladder, when you consider this AC as a ladder, the height of the ladder or the length of the ladder, see here, the length of the ladder will remain same. Okay, but here the distance of the ground level increases when the theta decreases and the height is also decreases. This concept we have learnt in the introduction video. Did you remember that? In case you have not gone through that, please go through. Okay. If the theta is decreases, then the height is also decreases but the base increases. This is the concept. So consider that the height of the ladder, length of the ladder as R. Okay, consider that the length of the ladder as R. So here AC remains the same R. So in the next step, when the theta remains 0, it means what? It means that the base length and the ladder length will intersect each other such that AB equals to AC. Okay, if the theta is 0, then it moves further to the base level and AC will be equals to AB. Okay, so from this, what can we write? If theta equals to 0 degrees, that implies AB equals to AC equals to R. Okay, AB equals to AC equals to R. See here, if theta is at suppose you consider it as 5 degrees, it will be little less. So when theta is not at all there, it means where there exists no theta, no value at all, where there exists no angle, then the ladder will be placed like this horizontally on the ground, no height. It means BC will be 0. Clear? This is the concept. If theta is 0, AB will be equals to AC. It means that ladder will be placed horizontally, no height at all. If there is no height, then BC equals to 0. So horizontally AB and AC values will be same. Okay, that's why I have taken AB equals to AC equals to R. So when you see here in the right angle triangle, we know AB value, we know AC value, we know BC value at theta equals to 0. So we can find out the trigonometric ratios. So sin 0 equals to, just apply the values directly. So BC by AC, what is BC? It is 0. 0 by AC is R. 0 by something you will be getting 0 only. Cos 0 equals to, what is cos? Adjacent side, that is AB by AC. AB value it is R, AC also it is R. So you will be getting 1. Clear? What is tan 0? Tan 0 equals to BC by AB. What is BC here? It is 0. AB is R. So it is 0 by R. That is equals to 0. 0 by something you will be getting 0. So you know the first 3 ratios. It's easy to find out the other 3 ratios. How? So cot 0 equals to 1 by 0. 1 inverse of tan. Correct? Cot is nothing but inverse of tan. So 1 by 0 it does not exist. So it's undefined. Okay. So in the same way, secant 0. How to find out secant 0? It's nothing but 1 by 1. That is 1. Cosecant 0 equals to 1 by, it's 0. 1 by 0 is also does not exist. It is undefined. Okay. So these are the trigonometric ratios of 0. Clear? The same way, let's find for trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees.